What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is main script. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So guys, I have a new video for us. If you're into crypto, web3 or blockchain and you're still searching for jobs on Fiverr or Upwork, you're honestly limiting yourself. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 real websites where web3 people can actually find jobs and get paid in crypto. And just so you know, this video is part 1 of a short series where I'll be breaking down how to get web3 jobs and earn online, not just focusing only on airdrop. So let's just get straight into it. So the first website is laborx. So laborx is a web3 freelance marketplace built on blockchain technology. If you're a developer, writer, designer, marketer, or community manager, so this platform is very solid for you. Just coming over to the website now, you see crypto jobs that has been listed. You can go ahead to search for crypto jobs here. You can search for the role. When you scroll down, you see this web3 business development partner. So if you feel you suit in this particular niche, you can go ahead to apply, and it's actually a full-time role. You see it here. So it's a remote job, business development under the niche business development, sales and marketing, and also web3. So if you feel you suit in this role, so you can just go ahead to apply by just coming over to this website and just go ahead to create an account, then just go ahead to apply for the job. You can see this front end web3 engineer. So if you know how to use React, if you know how to use Solidity, Ethereum, Solana, so you can also apply for this is a full-time role, and you see it's remote. So you see the pay is from this amount to this amount. It was posted December 15 last year, so you can also apply for it. So just come over to this website to search for any jobs you are interested in. So on laborx, jobs are web3 focused and payment are usually in crypto like USDT, ETH or BTC. You see a lot of freelance gigs, short stacks, and even long-term contracts. So you'll be seeing it on this website. So what matters most on this website is the speed. So speed matters a lot because you have to apply early and you have to keep your proposal very short. You can also start with small jobs to build reviews on the website. The second platform is cryptojobslist. Showing on my screen now is their website. So this second platform is the most popular job platform in the web3 space, and a lot of crypto startups post jobs here directly every day. So you can just come over to this website to check and apply for jobs. So you see this one, prediction market, growth marketing. So if you want to apply for this, I'll just go ahead to apply. Then you see the amount per year. You see senior data engineer, you see a fleet manager, chief of staff, and lots like that. So let's say you're into web development, so you can also come over here to just search for the job you're actually looking for. So you can select the location, either remote, or you can also select your country of your interest. You can also sort by the relevance. So you see relevance, recent applications. So what you find on this website, you find remote jobs on this website, you find freelance and contract roles. Sometimes you see full-time web3 jobs on this website. So the roles include content writing, community management, social media, marketing, and also development. You see a lot of job opportunity on this website. So if you are just starting out, you can actually go to select remote, and you can sort the relevance by just clicking on recent to get the recent job that was posted. So you see this was posted today, senior software engineer trading technology at BitMEX. So this job was actually posted today. Then let's just go over to the third website. So the name of the third website is Remote Theory. So Remote Theory focuses mainly on remote web3 jobs, and the interface is very friendly. So let me just wait for their website to load up. What me personally like about remote theory is that you can go to create an account, that is, you can create a profile. Most job listing on these websites are legit. The kind of roles you'll be seeing are mostly marketing, operations, community, and developers. So you see front-end developer, back-end, full stack, blockchain developer, smart contract developers. So you also be seeing community manager here. If you're a writer, so you can also go ahead and select writer, and Just wait for the website to load up new jobs for you. But before you can get started using all these websites, you have to like create an account. For remote3.school, you have to go to create an account here. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to set up your profile and you just have to get started. You see this experience, this called community manager, full time, and you see the pay is from this amount to this amount per year. Or if you feel you are in these categories, you can just go to click on it and just go ahead to apply. So I'm going to be going over to the last platform, which is going to be the fourth platform, which is Latium. Latium is very good for beginners in Web3. So what you find here is small crypto tags. You'll find freelance job. This website is perfect if you are new and you want to start small. So you can just go ahead to use this website. So just go ahead to sign up, go ahead to create an account, then also go ahead to like set up your profile. Lastly, you don't need to be a blockchain developer to start getting gigs in Web3. So this platform that I just listed, they're also great for writers. They are great for designers. If you're into graphic designing, you're going to use all these four websites I just listed. And if you're also a moderator, a Discord moderator, you can also use this website. A community manager, a researcher, social media manager, and if you already have any online skill, you can move into Web3. While you're using these websites, don't share your private keys with any client. Once you're being asked to share your private key, just know that it is scam. Then you can just proceed to the next job opportunity. So yeah, these are four real websites where Web3 people can find jobs. So this is the part one of the Web3 job series. In my next video, I'll show you how to get your first Web3 job even if you have no experience. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video if this helped you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.